eat some free snacks. What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. This is Cohen. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel. Super Zoom. Today, we are going to be removing... Hold on a second, bud. We're going to be removing some of the wrap from the Corvette. And she's going to become white again. What do you think about that, Cohen? Are you ready for her to become white again? Yeah? Do you like white or teal better?
Teal.
You like the teal better?
I white one.
And the white one? Do you think we should do another color?
Yeah, red.
Red? You want to do red?
Yeah,
Is that because you want the people to click the red subscribe button?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, click that red subscribe button. We'll wait for you. No, don't push the stop button. Alright, did you guys push that button real quick? Because if you did, we appreciate it. And if you haven't, you're missing out. We are going to start back here on the rear. And to do so, it's like 50 degrees outside. I got my little heat gun here. So we're gonna heat this up. We're gonna use it to pull off the wrap nice and easily. Ouch! He got me with the broom. Hey, no. Don't get them with the broom. Wait, hold on. Hold on, we gotta ask him something.
What?
We gotta be like everybody else real quick. Smash that thumbs up button. We'll wait. Did you smash that thumbs up button? 3, 2, 1. Thank you for smashing that thumbs up button. Now let's go ahead and get into this.
Yeah. 1, 2, and 9.
Oh, there was your second chance. Second chance. If you didn't click it, that was your chance. They seem to have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3 people.
3 people on.
Cowboy dance.
Yeah. Well, here's our progress for today. This is definitely going to take me a while. The front's almost done. I did that previously, and I've been working on this, and I just realized that in my time lapse that little portion isn't going to show up. However, if we scoot back here, get this camera to work with us, man, does that look good. So come on down here. We got all of that fender. I left the door. I'm gonna take the door off. I'm gonna take it off. Not the actual door. And then we still got the rear done. Now, as far as the back goes, we still have the back cover on. Bonnet, what is it called? That's bonnet's the hood. I don't want to call that the bonnet, the trunk. Jeez. Having flashbacks to Germany. Wow. And then we have this entire side here. So, my guess is that we're going to have probably 3 videos of this. Let me get you guys spun around here. There we go. Maybe 4. Maybe 4. And the reason that I say that is, let me turn my hat around. Get out of that working stage hat. The reason I say that we're probably going to have 3 to 4 is because this is just one. And basically I got 2 panels done. It is a lot harder than I thought when it's in the cold. So I would highly, highly recommend that you do this when it's hot out and not freezing cold. So we'll have the driver's side video, and then we're gonna have the passenger side over here. Let me refocus this camera again. My gimbal is acting a little weird. I got it facing the other way, so hopefully I'm in the scene, in the view. However, we have the passenger side to do, so that'll probably be video number 2. Video number 3 is going to be cleanup video, and what I mean by the cleanup video is, like, you can tell right here, I have to take this out in order to do it. These are probably, the headlight covers are probably going to wait because I'm going to have to take those completely off to do those. And then also down there I need to clean some of this up, clean some of that up. Got to take that out. It's a little bit of a process to do this. However, it's not bad. It's really simple. And so far, here's our bundle of wrap. There's our, what used to be on the car. So, there you guys have it. She looks super sexy all white. Hey, I got my gimbal to stay now. It hasn't been wanting to stay in sport mode, so I can move it with me a lot freer rather than it sit there and go like a slow span. So anyhow, please smash that thumbs up button. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and by you guys smashing that thumbs up, dropping those comments down below, and clicking that red subscribe button, there's red, boop boop. You guys are helping us get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. So thank you, I truly appreciate it. And the best way for us to get to 1,000 subscribers is for you guys, the family, to share these videos with your family, with your friends, with your coworkers, whoever it may be. Go ahead, send them a link to our channel. Send them a link to your favorite video. Yee yee, that's what it's all about. So, anyhow, maybe I'll make a video on yee yee. Or you can head over to Granger Smith's channel and find out what yee yee means, what it's all about. It means live life to the fullest. Take it every moment, every moment. Anyhow, I really appreciate you guys, and we will catch you in the next video.